So most people solve this question like 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, right? Then again 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now 5 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then again fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have division, here division, and here division, and all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So now 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 divided by 10 divided by 2, right? Now 5 divided by 10 can be written as 5 upon 10 divided by 2, right? Now according to KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So keep this first fraction 5 upon 10 as it is same. Then change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this 2 is equal to 1 upon 2, right? Now 5 times 1 is equal to 5, 10 times 2 is equal to 20, right? Now 5 divided by 20 is equal to 4, so we can write this 1 upon 4. So the correct answer is 1 upon 4, right? If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.